Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is diving into the heartwarming world of Japanese cuisine with a classic comfort food, Japanese curry. This isn't just any curry, my dear foodies. This is a melody of flavors and textures, a culinary symphony that we're going to conduct right in our kitchen. Are you ready to embark on this flavorsome journey yet? Let's roll into the kitchen and cook ourselves some really thick, powerful, yet comforting curry, shall we? As usual, we're going to start with prepping our aromatics and veg. For the aromatics, roughly slice up 2 onions, 10 grams of ginger, and 5 cloves of garlic. You don't have to slice them too nicely because they're going to melt in your pot later anyway. Next, cut up 1 big potato, 1 carrot, 5 big mushrooms, and 1 sweet potato into bite-sized chunks. And that's it, easy peasy tasty curry. Next, let's move on to our object of love and desire, the meat. Naturally, you should use the best piece of chicken for your curry, the thigh. And don't argue with us, you gym rats, you know the thigh is the best part. Now, in a pot, add a splash of neutral oil and heat it up. You want to look for that sizzle, the kind that promises a golden sear. Season the chicken with a dash of salt and pepper and let the skin side kiss the heat first. After about 2 minutes, flip it over, give the other side some fiery love for another 2 minutes, and then remove it away onto a plate. Next, it's time to introduce the aromatic trio: onion, garlic, and ginger. Sauté them in the same pot you just cooked your chicken in until the onions are soft and inviting. Now, reunite the chicken with its flavor friends in the pot. Pour in about 60 milliliters of sake, because what's a Japanese dish without sake, right? Also, add 500 milliliters of chicken stock and 100 milliliters of water. Cover and let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. Remember to skim off any scum floating on top. After you've tried to be patient for 30 minutes, then it's time to add the veggies: carrots, potatoes, sweet potato, and mushroom. Tuck them in, cover, and let them soften up in the curry embrace for about 15 minutes. We're almost there, just one more flavorful step. After about 15 minutes and the veggies are soft, you can turn off the heat and add the secret ingredient, Japanese Curry Roux. You can easily get these popular cubes of Curry Roux in any Asian store around the world. That's how beloved Japanese curry is. Dissolve 100 grams of these Japanese Curry Roux into the hot broth, being gentle not to disturb our tender veggies. And finally, add a tablespoon of mirin and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for that perfect harmony, sweet and savory. Give it a final stir, adjust the consistency if you like by adding the water or let it simmer some more. And voila, there you have it, a pot of Japanese chicken curry that's ready to take your taste buds to a delightful journey. Serve it hot next to a bed of beautifully steaming white rice. And as you dive into this rich, flavorful curry, let them envelop your soul in a warm, comforting hug. And remember, don't just keep this culinary joy to yourself. Please hit that like and subscribe button to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. And share this with your loved ones. And now, all that's left is Engweta. Bon appetit, itadakimasu. Mời cả nhà ăn cơm. And again,